another Witch Casket unboxing. This month is June, I believe. Good old June. I am actually here with my brother and sister listening in, so they're not going to join in because they're too scared, two little wimpies. Weak! But if you do hear them laughing at me, then just know that I'm Bear Hilaire. And that's why. Bear Hilaire. And we do have our tea from last month, but we will be going into that later on, and we're going to try it. So this is June. Let's just dig in. Let's not waste any more time. I have had a sneak peek at the little things just to make sure I could get it all on camera, but other than that I don't really go into it that much. So this is the little leaflety thing that you get every time, and it says, here it is, June's Witch Casket. We hope you love the sleep and relaxation theme we chose for this casket. With summer upon us, we are already feeling those relaxing summer vibes, and we hope you are too. Lovely. Yes. And I'm not going to look into the list because I want to look it on my own. Let's move the box out of the way so we can dig in. So the first thing I see is this really pretty print again from Tea Cake Art, which you can follow them on Instagram. You can see it right there. Please excuse the lighting and camera work and audio. I am having to film this at home. And yeah. So yeah, that's really pretty. I really like that. I do like Tea Cake Art's prints anyway, so I'm gonna have to hang that up somewhere. Next thing we see is this Deep Sleep Charm Bag Kit. So contains chamomile, lavender and amethyst, the perfect ingredients for a sleep and charm bag. Okay, well, let's get into that then. Here we go. So we have instructions, a bag, I assume chamomile, however you want to pronounce it. Ooh, lavender and little amethyst. Oh, they're cute. So it says charm bags are the perfect way to set your intentions and carry the natural energy of herbs, crystals, etc. Charm bags should always be created when you are feeling calm and relaxed and able to add your own energies to charge the bags for their specific purpose. Ooh, I like the back of this. Look at that. I like that. That's going to be my next print. I like that. That's very pretty. Yeah, I actually do struggle with sleeping, so and I suffer with anxiety. So this relaxation and charm bag should be rather nice to give it a go, and it smells really nice actually. Yeah, I can really smell the lavender, and can't really smell chamomile, but lavender smells really nice. So yeah, I liked that. On to the next. What is this? What is this? Harmony, Peace, Tranquility. So this is a jade facial massager. Ooh, let's get this out of the bag. Jade facial massager, and it comes in one of those nice bags that I absolutely love and always use. I like getting those bags. And this says, these ancient massage tools have been used from as far back as the 7th century. Apply gentle pressure and motion to promote blood flow and relax the facial muscles. I've never used a facial massager before, but I'm going to now. I like that. Very nice. Very nice. And the next thing is crystal. So green chalcedony, that sounds really wrong, can make the holder feel both calm and courageous at the same time. Ooh. Oh, I think my sister needs that. Its stabilizing energies can bring a sense of peace and focus and help you to feel more optimistic and motivated. Sounds like I need that. I need to feel more optimistic. But yeah, no, that's really nice, really pretty. It's actually a really nice colour. I really like that. It looks a bit like moss. If moss was trapped in a stone, I think that's what it would look like, personally. But yeah. Oh yeah, excuse my nails as well. I am scum. I am just scum. Okay, next thing before this gets on. It's in a purple bag this time. Lovely. Witch Casket Sleep and Meditation Mist Kit. Ooh. Oh. So this says it's a Witch Casket exclusive. Place the amethyst chips and lavender into the bowl cup of water and leave this out in the moonlight to let it bathe in the moon's magical lunar energy. After a few hours in the moonlight, bring it in, strain it, and fill your atomizer? Not sure what it says. With the wonderful sleep potion you have created. You can now use this as a mist to spray your bed, linen and pillows, or as a room baby spray to set a relaxing mood for meditation. I like that very, very much. I'll have to give that a go. Like I said, if you did want me to do any of those videos that I mentioned last month, like the spell with me type things where we get these and we make them on camera, and then let me know and I will give those a go. Next thing on the list is this really pretty pin. I love this. Oh, it's cute. And it's got that same dragon. It reminds me of Maleficent, actually. I really like that. Next thing is cherry loose tea. Here we go, beautiful. So it says ingredients are black tea, cranberry pieces, blackberry leaves, rose, and safflower petals. Oh. Cherry oils in there as well. The body's internal clock and sleep-wake cycle. Okay. Okay. Let's open it. It is open. It is open. I don't know if you can really see in there because obviously it's black tea, but yeah. Ooh, it smells like cherry Bakewell tart. Don't think I'm going to enjoy that very much. I don't actually like Bakewell that nicely. Okay, here we go. More incense. Like I say, you do get incense pretty much every time. This one's for protection. Again, I'm not a massive fan of incense. I might just give it to my sister. Who knows? Maybe I'll like it, maybe I won't. Not really keen. Not keen bean. Got some spell candles though in a little box. I like this box. Yeah. Let's get the box open and have a look at a candle. Okay, so candles are open. Oh, they're quite big ones actually. Yeah, they're thicker than normal, I think. Are they? I think they're thicker than normal, but the same size. So little spell candles. They're all the same colour. Very nice. And I think you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Lovely. Next thing. Ooh. Oh. Yes. Another little one of these. Look. It's a spoon with a skull on. Oh my fucking god. I love these spoons so much. I've already got one from Witch Casket actually. But it's always good to have another one. And I do enjoy these spoons. I'm always worried about ruining the other one. So I don't use it that much. But now I've got two. I might use it more often. And then as usual we get a scroll. Look, see, this is how tight they roll it up. It's so tight. How am I going to get this open? Who knows? Okay, I've had to bend it the other way. As usual, it looks very, very pretty. If you can see, it's got like a raven, some leaves. I'm seriously getting some Maleficent vibes here, and it's in the same font that it has been. So it talks about natural aids to sleep and relaxation. So there's crystals and herbs on this. And it's got a few little lists, and that's quite nice to have. And you can like hang these up and stuff like that. Nothing's on the back though. Still, yeah, I still like it. I'll probably use it, not gonna lie. And then the last thing is, oh, it's massive. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna show this on camera, but I think it's a wall hanging. I'm gonna slide it up so you get a good view. So, Witch's Sanctuary, that's what it says. I can't fit it in, unfortunately, but it is very, very nice. Yeah, I'm not sure where I'm going to put that, but I do like it. I like the picture, I like the font. I'm not sure what to do with it though. I'll have to find somewhere to put it. So, all in all, I think that's everything from the box this month. I believe it is. So let's look at the list. Witch Casket exclusive sleep and meditation mist kit. Where did I put that? That's here. There you go, that's that. Deep sleep charm bag. That's this. Witch's Sanctuary wall hanging. That's that. Magic enamel pin. I've just put everything to the side, so I'm having to re-find everything now. That's that. Natural sleep aids parchment scroll. That's this pretty scroll thing. I'll just slot it under. There we go. Pretty. Protection incense. There you go. Jade facial massager. And I've got it out of the bag so you guys can see it a bit better. Green chaladoni, or whatever it's called, crystal. There you go, out of the bag because my brother was looking at it. Rude. Purple through coloured spell candles. That's these. They're all way coloured through. Cherry loose leaf tea by Tea Cakes of Yorkshire. There you go. Got that there. I'm gonna have to move this now, aren't I? That's nice. I don't think I'm gonna like the tea, but you know. And then the A6 art print by Tea Cake as well, which is this. Pretty. I really enjoyed that. Oh, I didn't put my spoon out. I forgot my spoon. There you go. Is that everything? I think that is. Nice. So overall, I did really enjoy this Witch Casket. The one thing that I will say is that the font made it quite difficult to read. I do like the font, but trying to read it on screen made it quite hard for me to read. Part 2, tea time, magical tea time, where we are going to try out last month's tea. And when I say we, I actually just mean me, because my sister's shaking her head at me saying that she doesn't want to do anything because she's weak. There we go, I made this tea. This is the tea. This is the colour. I put it in a nice glass. It was the raspberry lemonade tea, which I'm going to now give it a cheeky slurp. Smells nice. Smells like I said last month, it smells like the Twister ice lollies. I don't know if that's a UK ice lolly or if that's a worldwide ice lolly. That's what it smells like to me. And then we're going to give it a cheeky slurp. Yeah, it's alright. I'm not really big into fruity teas that much, but yeah, no, I like that. I feel like it needs to be stronger though. But then I've got a massive sweet tooth, so maybe that's what it is. Maybe I just needed to add more in it. But yeah, I enjoyed that. That was really nice. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the Witch Casket unboxing of June 2019. You will find all the information down below in the description box. If you did like this video and you'd like to see more, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I will see you all next month and next week for other videos. Do check out the other ones. I do have The Sims 4 Let's Play, as well as some speed builds, and I do bullet journaling. Woohoo! So I will see you all soon. Bye!